To allow alert for custom or other sound when sound notification is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under other section, tap the gray on option next to allow notification to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will notify you when sound notification feature is on, and it detects enable custom or other sound such as washing machine and beeping or other custom sound that you have added to the custom sound list before, or active or pause status sound and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.